Hello friends, welcome to our new accounting video. In this video, we will discuss on final accounts of clubs and societies. Final accounts of clubs and societies include receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and the balance sheet. Receipts and payments account. It is a summary of all cash and banking transactions. All receipts, whether revenue or capital, are shown on the debit side, and all payments, whether revenue or capital, are shown on the credit side of this account. Non-cash items are not shown in it, for examples: depreciation, outstanding expenses, accrued incomes, etc. Now, let's take an example to understand how to prepare receipts and payments account.
Hello friends, here we have one question, and as per the question we are to prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2013. And these are the details of cash transactions which are conducted during this year. And this is the format of receipts and payments account. On its debit side we are to record all the receipts, and on its credit side we are to record all the payments. In receipts and payments account, first of all we will record opening cash and bank balance. And here opening cash is 25,000 and opening bank balance is 1,65,000. So total of both opening cash and bank balance is 1,90,000. And this we will record on the receipt side as opening balance. Opening balance. And total of both opening cash and bank balance is 1,90,000. And now after showing opening cash and bank balance, we are to show all receipts on the receipt side and all payments on the payment side. Here in the question, after opening cash and bank balance, we have subscription, and subscription is the item of receipt. And during the year we received $35,000 from this item. So this item we will show on the receipt side. Subscription, and we received $35,000 from this item. And after subscription, the next item is donation, and this is also one source of receipt. And during the year we got $80,000 from this source. So this donation we will show on the receipt side. And $80,000 we got from this item. After donation, the next item is investment purchased, and this is the item of payments. So this item we will show on the payment side. Investments purchased, and the amount paid for this purpose is $20,000. The next item is rent paid, and this will also appear on the payment side. Rent paid, and the amount paid towards rent is $21,500. After rent, the next item is general expenses. This will also appear on the payment side. General expenses, and the amount paid is $2,000. And after general expenses, the next item is postage and stationery. This is also one item of payments, so this will also appear on the payment side. Postage and stationery, and the amount paid towards postage and stationery is $1,000. After postage and stationery, the next item is courier charges. This will also appear on the payment side. Courier charges, and the amount paid towards courier charges is $2,500. And now one more item left, that is sundry expenses. This will also appear on the payment side. Sundry expenses, and the amount paid towards sundry expenses is $3,000. And now after showing all the items, we will compute the balance of this receipts and payments account. And for this purpose, first we will make the total of the debit side. And here the total of the debit side is $3,05,000, and then same total we will write on the credit side. And from this total we will subtract the total of the credit side, and we will get the balance. And here the balance is $2,55,000. This balance shows cash and bank balance at the end of the year. And now this balance we are to show in the balance sheet of the health club. So in this manner we have prepared this receipts and payments account. I hope that you understood how to prepare this receipts and payments account.